Hump day.
Hump day.
What does hump day do?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I still got the hiccups. Dang it.
Better than we.
Middle of the week.
Yeah. You celebrate Confederate Memorial Day?
What's Confederate Memorial Day?
The day that the Confederates.
Corresponds to the day I got the hiccups. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, another day. Another day.
Another day, another dollar. Oh, man. Come on, man.
Hold your breath for
It's about now.
Get rid of everything.
Go! Was that long enough? It's done.
Well,
Oh, man.
Hoorah!
Booyah! Pop! Oh.
There you go. Scared out you.
Yeah, you're still eating.
Did it work?
Well, you were eating, I was getting beating. You still got me go.
No.
Oh, man. What? Woo!
Booyah!
Man.
How was your week?
Oh, that's great, buddy. How's yours?
Even better.
Even better. Even though I was home, knitting the sweater. Another day, another dollar. Ever since I can remember, I was popping my collar. Got the hiccups. God dang it.
So
Even when I cough, I still got it.
what?
Ricola. Does anyone have a Ricola? Did that work? It's finally going?
Is it? Is it?
No.
Yeah.
Dang it.
Hold your breath. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it.
I cannot refuse. I'll make it. Dang it. Oh man, that was long too.
Almost.